Hi and welcome. In this quick video I'll show you how to turn off the subtitles on your Fire Stick 4K Max. So grab your remote and let's get going. All we need to do is go across to Settings, then come down the left hand side and across one to Accessibility. The first option we have is Subtitle, and it says Show subtitles for videos when available. We can click this and enable it, click it to turn off. Now let's say you do want to turn on subtitles. You have some options here. We have text. We can change the size from very small all the way up to very large, like so. We can change the colour. Let's try red. That's what red looks like. We'll put it back to default. You can also change the font. And the last option is Edge Style. Currently that's set to none. How about we put raised? So those are the options in and around subtitles. I hope you found this useful, and if you have, really appreciate if you can give a video a quick thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great streaming day ahead.